Hello everyone! Have you ever wondered why living things around us are so diverse? Why do some animals survive better than others in certain environments? And how do these differences occur over time? These questions have led scientists to develop various theories about evolution. In general, evolution is the process by which living organisms change over time. These changes occur gradually and can result in the development of new traits and even new species. There are several theories that explain how evolution occurs. However, in this video, we will focus on one important theory, namely the theory of evolution by natural selection proposed by Charles Darwin. Let's begin. According to Darwin's theory, evolution occurs through a process called natural selection. Natural selection is the process by which individuals with traits that are better suited to their environment have a higher chance of surviving and reproducing. Over time, these advantageous traits become more common in a population. Darwin observed that individuals within a species are not identical. They have variations in traits such as size, color, strength, and behavior. Their variations are important because they influence an organism's ability to survive. This concept is often summarized as survival of the fittest. However, the term fittest does not mean the strongest, but rather those who are best adapted to their environment. For example, in a population of giraffes, some individuals have slightly longer necks than others. When food becomes limited, giraffes with longer necks can reach higher leaves and are more likely to survive. These individuals then reproduce and pass on their traits to their offspring. Over many generations, more giraffes will have long necks. This gradual change is an example of evolution through natural selection. Over many generations, more giraffes will have long necks. This gradual change is an example of evolution through natural selection. Another important concept in Darwin theory is adaptation. Adaptation refers to traits that increase an organism's chances of survival in a particular environment. Over time, these traits become more common. Darwin also proposed that all living organisms share a common ancestor. This means that the diversity of life we see today has developed from earlier forms of life through gradual changes over long periods of time. In conclusion, evolution is a process that explains how living organisms change over time. Although there are several theories of evolution, Darwin's theory of natural selection provides a clear and logical explanation of how these changes occur. Through natural selection, organisms that are better adapted to their environment are more likely to survive and pass on their traits. Over time, this leads to the diversity of life we see today. So, the next time you observe living things around you, remember that each of them is a part of a long and continuous process of evolution. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!